Hey everyone, are you tired of missing out on deals or wasting hours searching for discount codes that never work? Let me show you a browser tool that completely changes the game. It finds real working coupons, gives cashback, and even compares prices, all while you shop. Let's check it out. We all love online shopping, but let's be honest, digging through coupon websites or hunting for the best price can be frustrating and time-consuming. That's exactly where Coupert comes in. Coupert also gives you cashback on purchases, including giants like Amazon, Walmart, Adidas, ASOS, and so many more. The cashback amount is instantly added to your Coupert account, and you can withdraw it anytime using PayPal, a bank card, or even gift cards. There's another really smart feature. Coupert performs real-time price comparisons. When you're browsing a product, it automatically checks other major stores to see if that same product is available elsewhere for a lower price. That way, you don't have to open 20 tabs to compare. You see the best price instantly right there on the screen. It works with all the popular browsers: Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Opera, and Microsoft Edge. You'll find the link to Coupert right below this video. Just click it and it'll take you directly to their website. Once you're there, simply click to add the extension to your browser. It takes literally one click and a couple of seconds. After it's installed, you'll see the Coupert icon up in your toolbar. Let's open it up. Here you'll find a full list of all the supported categories and websites where you can use Coupert to unlock exclusive coupons and cashback offers. It covers almost every shopping category you can think of: fashion, electronics, home goods, travel, and more. Now, let's see it in action with a real example. Let's say I want to buy a pair of shoes from Adidas and I found one I like priced at $80. Now, I proceed to the checkout page. Instantly, the Coupert pop-up appears. Here's something really useful. It shows me that this same product is available at lower prices on Amazon, Zappos, and a few other popular retailers. That's Coupert's price comparison tool doing its thing. Let's stick with Adidas for now and test out the coupon codes. Coupert tells me it has found 16 working coupons for this store. I simply click the button to start testing. Coupert will now automatically go through each code, one by one, and apply the one that gives me the highest discount. After just a few seconds, it found the best one and saved me $22.40 on this order. I can either copy the coupon code manually or just proceed to checkout, and Coupert will automatically apply the code for me, no extra steps needed. Now that's a real discount using a completely free tool. Pretty amazing, right? But we're not done yet. Right after applying the coupon, Coupert also shows that I can earn up to 5.6% cashback on this same purchase. The cashback reward typically takes about 15 days to process, but if you shop frequently using Coupert, your cashback gets confirmed even faster. Once your balance grows, you can redeem it easily via PayPal, gift cards, or bank transfer, whichever you prefer. Let's do one more test. This time, I'm shopping at ASOS, pair of shoes I want to buy for $128. I add them to my shopping bag and head over to the checkout page. Again, Coupert jumps into action. It pops up and tells me that 5 coupon codes are available. I click Apply Coupons, and Coupert begins testing each code automatically. Within a few seconds, Coupert applies the one that gives me the maximum savings, $25.70 off, and just like before. So that's how it works. 3 major benefits in one: free extension, automatic coupon codes at checkout, real cashback, smart price comparisons while you browse. And you don't have to do any extra work, it all happens automatically. So if you want to start saving while you shop, you'll find the link to Coupert right below this video. Click it, add the extension to your browser, and you're ready to go. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tips on smart online shopping, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and happy savings with Coupert.